What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Big Money Mindset YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll just be going over current market conditions, top companies to be buying right now on discount, and some tips to just look out for inside of the market right now. Once again, I want to say thank you to everyone that signed up for the Patreon. The link is in the description. Of course, we had a couple of people drop from the Patreon the past couple of weeks because of market conditions. But if you would have just listened to me, stayed patient, continued to buy the dip, the market was going to recover eventually. Stocks were way oversold, especially in the tech sector. You have to stay patient and you have to take advantage of these types of opportunities. I'm going to pretty much be your mentor. I'm going to keep you confident when things get the absolute worst. And it looks like we're seeing the reversal this week begin. My portfolio is doing wonderful the past couple of days, and I expected to see all-time highs in the very near future. And only if you feel this video gives you a better insight on the stock market and opportunities still out there, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll be keeping you updated daily with all the growth stocks and spec plays. There's going to be a lot of great information coming out, and you don't want to miss it. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, we had a nice little bounce back of $11,400 the past couple of days. We've been waiting on a market reversal for about 3 weeks now. The bond yields caused a lot of fear inside of the market. They just had a bond yield auction. The bonds, seem to be stabilized right now about 1.52, 1.54. People are very confident right now because they are not worried about inflation in the present time. So that's a great sign. And if you guys want to know why the market sold off so aggressively, I believe it's because the market consists of 75% institutional investors and 25% retail investors. Institutional investors were in fear of overvaluation in the tech sector. That's why the NASDAQ sold off more aggressively than the other indexes. And we're seeing right now, it looks like these discounts are finally getting bought up. A lot of institutional investors have said they're trying to avoid the tech sector and go into more value stocks, but it looks like right now with these bounce backs, it looks like institutional investors are hopping back in slowly, very sneaky it looks like, and we have retail following them because there's more confidence in the market. So I don't believe tech is going anywhere. There might be a slower gradual move up before huge run-ups, because a lot of people are in value right now, banking, energy, and other stocks like that. So I'm not really worried about the value stocks right now. I'm going to stay in the tech sector and I'm going to ride it out because I think these have the highest potential growth over the next couple of years. So I'm going to stay in while the discounts are there and buy these dips. Once again, all you had to do was stay patient. I want to say thank you again to everyone that supported me inside of the Patreon. We did very well. We bought a lot of dips. I built a $100,000 portfolio last 2 weeks, which I'm very excited about. I can't wait to show you guys that portfolio in the next couple of months. I really do think I'm going to be hitting that $1 million goal potentially in 2022. So this is definitely going to happen. We got some crazy discounts, and I'm going to be telling you guys some great companies to be buying right now that are still severely discounted compared to where they were at just a couple of weeks ago. So once again, I'm very happy for everyone that stayed patient. This is what it's all about in the market, taking advantages of fear in the market and, buying those dips. And that's exactly what we did. And I'm very thankful for everyone that supported me. So let's get into the video. Once again, this NASDAQ today is soaring. I mean, we're up 300 points, 2.51%. But you have to realize this is still significantly down from the highs, guys. This was over 14,000 plus. So tech sector has plenty of room to bounce back. Don't be afraid of, heavy tech that sold off 30-40%. There's still great discounts out there in the tech sector. Once again, I believe NIO was drastically oversold, guys. This company is the future. It was following, the Tesla. Tesla was in an index, dropped nearly 35%, and they were falling, identical. So that's definitely understandable. But I want you guys to just see the growth that NIO is having. So you feel more confident in buying into this company. Just look at the Q1 2020, 3,800 vehicles, jumped up to 10,000 plus in Q2 2020, 12,000, a little bit of a jump. and then a huge jump in Q4 2020 to 17,000, and they are predicting another huge jump to 21,000 vehicles in Q1 2021. This company is set to do over 100,000 vehicles this year, and next year is when the real party begins, guys, because they are expanding into European markets this year, and that factory is in construction right now. They will have max capacity to potentially do 300,000 vehicles in 2022. Just to give you guys an understanding of what 300,000 vehicles really is, that is right around the number of Tesla production in 2019. You're telling me NIO, a 6-year company, is going to be doing Tesla numbers from 2 years ago, guys? This company is growing very fast. They have the biggest market in the world. You just have to be patient. If you're new inside of the market, you might not see gains for, a couple of months. This is definitely possible. Give yourself 6 months to, check your progress. You have to stay patient. Guys, I was getting hammered for 1 month inside of the market, just losing money every day, holding positions, averaging down. That's what you have to do if you want to be successful. You have to take advantage. And, it sucks. It sucked bad. That was the worst correction we've seen in the NASDAQ in 12 months, guys. And if you did the right thing, you should be patting yourself on the back. It's going to pay off long term, I'm telling you. You're going to see all-time highs potentially in the next 1 to 2 months. It just takes time in this market. You have to realize, if your company is doubling, one day, the company's value is doubling one day, the stock price, that's a bad sign. You have the wrong investors in the company. People run up stocks 100% in a day is not a good sign. That means that the company is definitely going to come back down, like those GameStops, AMC, costs. These have crazy volatility. You don't want to be in those companies. You want to be in companies that are growing at a very steady rate. Just as you're seeing in NIO right now, it has the right investors in it. Long term, I believe, it's just a lot of weak hands got shaken out from the institutional investors, puts and sell-offs. So just stay patient on NIO. This is a great buy. Let's take a look at the chart real quick. Yeah, guys, right here, you can see NIO is at $44. I believe the low was about $31. So this has already bounced back $13 in nearly 2 days. I think it could easily see 50, 60 bucks in the next 1 to 2 weeks. By the end of the year, this company could easily see $150. This is definitely possible. You just have to stay patient. Let them take care of sales and keep growing steadily. The chip shortage is going to be taken care of in 2 to 3 months. Max capacity in that one factory can still hit 10,000 vehicles. You just have to stay patient, guys. BFT PaySafe. This is still a great buy right now. This company has hit highs of nearly $19. What I truly believe is happening right now is the company is set to merge right around March 25th. So it'll probably merge a couple of days later because that's when the voting is. I think the big money is keeping this down right now. They're trying to make those March 19th calls, I believe, expire worthless. They do this all the time to rack up free shares. So they're really pinning this one down. This company is severely undervalued compared to Square and as well as PayPal inside of the fintech market. I think this company could easily see 25 bucks in the next 3 to 4 weeks, in April after it has a post-merger, just because they kept it so low. You just got to stay patient on this one. There's some good valuations going on right now with BFT. PaySafe's valuation, PayPal is trading at an EV to NTM EBITDA multiple of 37.2x. That's what you got to remember, that 37 right there. According to PaySafe's presentation, adjusting its EBITDA estimates for 2021 and 2022 to calculate it for NTM, the EV to EBITDA multiple is 15.5x. Therefore, PayPal has a higher valuation compared to PaySafe. PaySafe's other payment processing peers like Square also have much higher multiples than PayPal. PayPal seems to be an attractive bet in the fintech space based on its valuation multiple right now. So guys, if this went the IPO route, like Snowflake, DoorDash, Roblox, Airbnb, guys, this company would easily be over 50 bucks if they went over the IPO route. So they're giving you guys an opportunity to buy this one right now, okay? This company is treating the retail investors right now with respect. They're giving you an opportunity to buy in. Just a lot of people don't have the courage to be buying in at 12, 13, $14 because it's a mindset, guys. People think because stocks are going down and going lower, that's a bad thing. It's actually a good thing because the big whales will come in and clean it up. You just want to make sure you're in these stocks before they run for the ongoing months. And a good sign we're seeing with SPAC stocks right now is DraftKings is setting the tone for SPAC stocks all around the world. I think if you buy into these SPAC stocks right now in 2021, you're going to be a very happy investor in the next 1, 2, 3 years because nobody's going to be talking about SPAC stock when you're buying these companies a year after they merge. So just know that you're getting a good valuation. PaySafe is also a partner with DraftKings. It's a huge partnership inside of their sports betting customer base. And also PaySafe is the #1 in iGaming. They have customers like Fortnite, Roblox, DraftKings, YouTube. This company is doing nearly, 1.6, $1.8 billion right now. And, this could easily have a market cap on it of 50 billion plus in the next couple of months. And this is definitely going to be a fair value compared to Square and PayPal. So you just got to stay patient and buy this dip. I think it's a good buy right now at 15, along with Neo at 45, 44 bucks. And also, guys, IPOE SoFi. This is a company I brushed off because it ran up so fast. It didn't have a lot of time to do research. I didn't really like it at 28 bucks, but my God, the sell-off you got the past 3 weeks on this bad boy, I think I got my average down to 18 bucks. It hit a low of like almost $13, $14. So I'm very happy. I got a discount from 28 back down to 18. So guys, you just got to stay patient on these. This company is going to develop long-term. It's a SPAC from Chamath. IPOE is moving forward with plans to merge with fintech up-and-comer SoFi. The deal value SoFi at $8.65 billion. SoFi offers a one-stop shop for a wide range of financial services on its smartphone app. Users can apply for loans, refinance loans, buy insurance, invest in stocks and cryptocurrency, transfer money, and others. Membership of SoFi's flagship app has accelerated for 6 consecutive quarters. The company expects 75% growth this year, with its total member topping 3 million by the end of 2021, guys. This is a great buy right now. You have growth for the years to come. I probably won't sell this one for 5 years. I'm going to hold long term. I don't care about the ups and downs. I already bought the dip. Very happy with my average right now. I'm very excited for this one merging. This should be merging in the next month or so because it's going to be merging, looks like, in April. And guys, the revenue growth is amazing on this company as well. I mean, it's just set up for success. They're looking like they're going to be a brokerage doing options trading as well, just like Robinhood. So if they have options, I feel like that's going to attract a lot more younger investors in the short term. So there's a lot of upside with this company right now. And, they just bought a bank in California for $22 million, trying to get their charter in process. So there's a lot of good things happening right now. I think this is an older article that was talking about the process of banking. And right here, there's one key thing to watch out for SoFi that could turbocharge its growth. The company received preliminary conditional approval in October for a national bank charter. And it looks like they just bought a bank out in California. So guys, they're moving in the right direction. You just got to stay patient on this one. We'll take a look at the chart real quick. And as you can see right now, the company is hovering around $19. So this is $9 off the high. This is right where I bought it at. So you're getting in the same price as me. You just have to stay patient and, hold for the long term. There's a lot of opportunity, inside of this market right now. Companies are severely discounted at this time. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. Once again, inside of the Patreon, I'm going to be putting out my call option listings every Sunday, 4 times per month, before the market opens on the Mondays. And there's going to be some great buys I'm putting out this upcoming weekend. So be sure to take a look at the link in bio, read up on the summary, and see if the Patreon is a good fit for you. We still have over 1,000 users right now, even after a market correction. And I want to say once again, I really appreciate the support. And if you just stay patient, you're going to win in the long run inside of the Patreon. I can assure you of that. And only if you feel this video gave you a better insight on the overall stock market and opportunities out there, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll be keeping you updated daily with all the growth stocks and spec plays. There's going to be a lot of great information coming out, and you don't want to miss it. This is Big Money Mindset. I'm Kyle. You have a great day.